Hey guys, Wade here from Disrupt Tutoring. Always nice to join you. Today I'm going to be taking you through a question on factorizing, which was taken from the November 2017 DBE exam. So let's jump straight in. The question says factorize fully, and we have x cubed plus 1 over x squared minus x plus 1. Now normally with these questions we'd factorize the top, then we'd factorize the bottom, and then we cancel out along the way. But what we will do is we'll start by factorizing the top and see if there's anything that we need to cancel before we continue. So at the top we have the sum of two cubes, and to factorize the sum of two cubes we open up a small bracket, then we open up a larger bracket. Then what we do is in the first bracket, the smaller bracket, we'll cube root the first term and we'll cube root the second term, and we keep the sign. So the cube root of x cubed is x, we keep the sign of plus, and the cube root of 1 is 1. Then the first term in the larger bracket will be this term squared, so x squared. We're going to have an opposite sign to what we have over here. Then the second term is going to be these two terms multiplied together. So we multiply them together and we just get x. And the last term is going to be this term squared. So 1 squared is simply 1. And now that is all over our x squared minus x plus 1. Now we have a look to see if there's anything that's common that we can cancel. And we see that at the top we have an x squared minus x plus 1. At the bottom we have an x squared minus x plus 1. So because they are exactly the same, we can cancel them, leaving us with the final answer of x plus 1. Nothing further left to do, and that will give us our 2 marks. That's it, guys. But before I go, I just want to do a quick shout out to our sponsor, Prolog Solutions. For all your export and import solutions, check them out in the description below. Until next time, stay epic.